And we're back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This week I'm gonna be giving you guys a little special, little something, a little treat. I'm gonna give you guys a series of videos showing off the best iPhone 13 Pro Max cases. I have about 9 or 10 cases. This is an updated list. I did one before, but I think I only had about 5, maybe 6 cases at the time. But this is gonna be an updated list. These videos are gonna be short and sweet, about 3 to 4 minutes. There's no need to push it to 10 because I'm not trying to lose y'all. Stay with me. Stay with me. All right. But if you're going to appreciate any of these videos, make sure to please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If this piques your interest, tickles your little fancy. All right. But the first case we have on the list. Oh, and by the way, we're going to be checking overall protection, how thin the case is, Magsafe, and wireless charging. But first case we have on the list is the Aimosio Slim case. That is this one right here. This one does not have Magsafe on it. Only reason I brought this one right here because this is the Pataka case and it does have Magsafe. It basically looks exactly like this one, but this one feels a little bit more form-fitting to the phone, and it has Magsafe. So we're gonna pop this bad boy on here, right here. And this is like the thinnest case I think you can get for this phone, but you can see it's very thin, offers no like protection or no raised edges. It's pretty much flush, but it's very thin. As you can see, it has cutouts for your power button, your speakers and everything, your volume up and down buttons, and then your charging port. So this is a very thin case. You can get this for about $29.99 on Amazon. Let's check Magsafe because it's so thin, it might actually connect. So it does connect. I don't know how secure this is. We're gonna shake it real quick. So it falls right off. So it does not have Magsafe. It will initially sit on here, but if you got anything valuable in here, do not put it on here because it's gonna fall off. Anyways, let's check wireless charging. Oh, hold on. Any wireless charging? Let's see. Boom, you got wireless charging. So that's going to be the Aimosio case. I'm gonna just for a quick comparison, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between that and the Pataka case. Come on, Pataka, don't do me like this. Get on here, get your ass on here, man. All right. Damn, this thing is tight, boy. Sheesh. Hold on. Let's reset. Yo, how do I usually put this on here? I have no clue. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is the Pataka case. You can see it's kind of raised on the edges. Pretty much same cutouts as the Aimosio. It does have Magsafe. Sticks right on here. I've done a full review on this case already, so that's why I'm kind of breezing through. And it sticks right to this thing. So it has Magsafe charging and wireless charging. But like I said, this is the one right here, $29.99 on Amazon. If you ask my opinion, I would say just go for this because it has the Magsafe and it's a safer bet. It has a little bit more raised edges, but still not the best raised edges, but it has some. Thank you guys for tuning in this video. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.